of reacts.
So law of conservation of mass will says that always all of you should remember, it will say in a chemical reaction, mass of the reactants is equals to the total mass of products. So no change in mass during a chemical reaction. What is happening? No change in mass during a chemical reaction. So if you'll observe, reactants may be changing into new form and they are getting new characteristics, new products, understanding, but there is no gain of mass and there is no loss of mass. Yes or no, Samya, Manya, Laksha? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Gain of mass, Maitreya? You have to respond me. There is no gain of mass. There is no loss of mass. Yes or no, Ra?
Loss of mass.
No gain of mass. There is no loss of mass. So that is why you can say total mass remains conserved. Yes or no? Total mass before reaction and total mass after reaction remains, it is constant. That is why we can say it is remains conserved. What we should call it? Remains conserved. The total mass of reactants, understanding, and the products includes what? Reactants may be in solid state, but products may be in liquid state or solid state or gaseous state. So whenever I will say total mass of reactants and products means in the sense of what? Solids, liquids, and gases. Understand that? Including air also, because air is also what? Mixture of gases. Gases are having weight or not, having mass or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Gas is also a matter. Gas is also having mass. That is you should remember. So whenever I will say total mass, so you have to consider total mass in the sense of what? Everything like solid, liquid, and gases also in that. Okay, da? Everything they are
Yes,
part
sir.
of
Okay,
it.
sir.
Even air is also part of reaction. So we can say the law of conservation of mass means that it is a total mass of reactants and products which may be in a solid state or maybe liquid state or maybe a gaseous state.
Gaseous state.
Now, let us see. Experimentally, we people will prove this, understanding, and we can understand how to do. So, law of conservation of mass will be more clear while you are doing the experiment. So, for that experiment, you people don't know how to write formula. That is why I will teach you only word equation, not chemical reaction. Okay, a symbolic representation. Because maybe you learned, but I have not taught you yet correct how to write a chemical formula based upon valency. It will write. So I will teach you that all by the time. So now you will try to understand. So now we are going to take one experiment. That is, when calcium carbonate is heated, what is that? Calcium carbonate is heated. A chemical reaction takes place and they will form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. What is the reaction, Ra? Example you can take.
Calcium oxide and
Oxide and calcium, carbon
So
dioxide.
many I will say. Don't worry, your textbook only one is there. Calcium carbonate. What you should call? Calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate.
Very learned. Class 10th, 1000 times will come in that class 10th, this calcium carbonate formula. Okay, calcium carbonate if will heat means in the sense of what? Heating is a what? Chemical reaction or not? Heating is a chemical reaction. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
chemical reaction we used to get calcium. Understand? Calcium carbonate if will heat we used to get calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. What will come?
Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide.
Oxide plus carbon dioxide. You understand, guys? Basically, calcium oxide will be in solid. What is that? Solid state. Carbon dioxide, what is the state, Ra? Gaseous state.
Gaseous
Understand?
state.
That also matters. Understand? And calcium carbonate is also in solid state. Have you noticed it? Yes or no? Everybody
Sir.
respond me. Maitreyan, Alana, Tamil Selvan.
Yes, sir.
Now, Samaya, observe very carefully. Now, for example, I will take 100 grams of calcium carbonate. How much, Ra? 100 grams of calcium carbonate. If I'll start heating, that is what we should call as, this reaction is called as, type of reaction is called as decomposition reaction. What we should call? Decomposition reaction.
Decomposition reaction.
From the single reactant, more than one product we are getting. Correct or not? Like that one is
Yes,
called
sir.
as decomposition reaction. So if we'll take 100 grams of calcium carbonate, we used to get, guys, remember very carefully. 56 grams of calcium oxide. How much it will come? 56 grams of calcium oxide. And remaining how much? 44 grams of carbon.
44, sir.
Now, total sum you do, how much it will come? 100 grams. Which is
100.
100.
Sir.
grams. So now, law of conservation of mass is verified or not? Is verified or not?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Tamil Selvan, Manya, Samaya, Laksha, respond me, everybody, no response at all. That is what. So, calcium carbonate, you want formula also now itself, sir. We are interested to learn formula. You can teach, sir.
Formula.
CO3.
CaCO3.
Okay.
CaCO3.
Calcium oxide, CaO. Understand?
CaO.
And carbon dioxide, CO2 gas.
CO2.
Okay. That
Sir,
is
we want to put arrow mark near CO2 only, no, sir.
how it will come. Is it okay, Alana? Laksha, Devarsini? That is you should remember. Okay. So calcium carbonate, if you take 100 grams of calcium carbonate, if you heat, what is that reaction called as? Decomposition, which will form 56 grams of calcium oxide and 44 grams of what? 44 grams of
Carbon dioxide.
so now
Carbon dioxide.
the total mass of products is how much? 56 plus 44.
100 gram.
100
100 gram.
And the total mass of reactants, how much? Reactant. That is also 100
gram.
100. That's also 100, sir.
Mass
of reactant
No
is
change
equal to
of
mass of
mass during this chemical reaction. That is why we can say the mass is remains same. Remains same means what we can say another word called as conserved. What we should say?
Conserve.
Conserved.
Observed.
What is the formula of carbon dioxide? CO2, Laksha. CO2. Carbon dioxide formula is CO2. Okay.
CO2.
CO2. Please learn. CO2. The down you should write 2. Okay, da? Everybody? That is. So that is what you have to understanding. So here you can observe. So what is happening, guys? The mass remains same or conserved. That statement you can write. The mass remains. The mass remains same. Same also we can call it as what? Conserved.
Conserve.
We can prove that it has been experiment which has been proved. What is that? What is that? Law of conservation of mass is true, or else law of conservation of matter is true. Correct or not? Calcium oxide,
Yes,
Laksha.
sir.
O. S means solid state. S means what, guys? Solid state. G means gaseous state. Here S means what? S means also solid state. Okay, ma. CaO is the calcium oxide. Okay, Laksha. CaO is the. Okay, that is what you have to remember. So this is the experiment which have been verified. Understand? We can verify the law of conservation of mass in the laboratory by taking the known masses of 2 chemical reactants. How much, guys? Known masses of 2 chemical reactants.
Chemical
And we can
reactants.
them. We can mix them and finding the masses of the products formed. So there should be no change in the mass. So for that also, here only single product, single reactant I am heating. Is it yes or no, Tamil Selvan? Single reactant I am heating. What is
Sir.
calcium oxide? Calcium carbonate. Now, in our laboratory, if you will take your textbook, they have given some more other thing. That is what? Experiment to verify law of conservation of mass. What is that? Experiment to verify.
Experiment to verify law of
Law of
conservation
conservation
of
of
mass.
mass.
For that you can take. I think your textbook they have given barium chloride. Is it yes, guys? Barium chloride and sodium
sir.
sulfate. Is it yes? So that is. So I think they have been given some kind of diagram also there. So you can observe carefully. Two flasks are there. Is it yes or no? 2 flasks. Is it yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so 2 flasks they have been given. So now if you measure the weight before reaction and after reaction with the help of weight balance, or that means weight measuring balance, then you can see it has been become same. So now I think this is the picture, similar picture will be there. Is it yes, guys? Down weight balance will be there.
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes, sir.
observe very carefully here, guys. So in that they have been taken, which example given? Yalamakal, can you
Barium chloride, sir.
okay, you can take 2 examples also, no issues. For example, take
Barium chloride and sodium sulfate.
chloride, okay, barium chloride solution in what is that called as conical flask? What we should call?
Sodium.
Conical.
Conical flask. This flask is called as conical flask. This is also conical flask one. Okay, ra? So now I have to take some solution in barium chloride solution in where, guys? In the conical flask. Is it okay, ra? This one is called as flask. Now I have to take a small test tube, and that test tube I have to fill what? Sodium sulfate solution inside
Sodium sulfate.
test tube, inside the test tube, and I have to type because they should not mix before itself. Is it yes or no? Mix means some gas will evolve and
Yes,
it, so that mass is not constant. So you have to arrange in such a way that it should not be understanding, ra, mixed with the barium chloride, sodium chloride in a test tube and barium chloride in a container, that conical flask.
sir.
Now you have to tie some thread to this test tube, and you have to arrange in such a way that if you shake it, the test tube should be mixed with the barium chloride. Now here we are keeping something called as, what is this called as? Rubber cork.
Rubber
Understand?
cork.
Cork.
What is the use of rubber
Rubber
cork?
cork, sir.
Rubber cork. No outside.
No escaping of.
Gases
Sir,
will
no escaping of gases, sir.
no escaping of gases, so that mass remains conserved. What is that? Mass remains conserved.
Gases
Remains
remains
conserved.
conserved.
What before reaction? Before reaction, what will come? Barium chloride, CHLORID. Barium chloride reacting with what, guys? Reacting with the sodium sulfate.
Sodium sulfate.
So after reaction they will form barium sulfate plus sodium chloride will form. What will form? Barium sulfate.
Barium sulfate
Sulfate plus sodium
This
chloride.
sodium is replacing by what? Barium. Barium is replacing by what? Sodium. That's all.
Sodium.
Understand, ra? So sodium plus barium,
Yeah.
barium plus sodium. So barium sulfate plus what will come, guys? We used to get the sodium chloride. That's all. Sodium chloride. So now you can see these are completely different chemical properties, and these are completely different chemical properties. Yes or no? Yes or no? Their mass
Yes, sir.
remains conserved. If you measure the mass with the help of wave balance, for example, it has been coming around 100 grams before reaction.
Sir, we have to subtract that flask weight, sir.
After reaction also, how much it will come? Same 100 grams will come. Is it okay, da? Understand,
Sir.
da? That is you have to remember. What, brothers? You are saying something?
Sir, we have to subtract that flask weight, sir.
That we have to subtract. No issues. That before itself we can measure. Okay, ra? First, guys,
Okay,
you have
sir.
to measure the mass of this conical flask and rubber cork, etc., test tube, everything. So that after filling with a barium chloride solution and as well as sodium sulfate solution, we have to remove the mass, total mass minus this. Suppose, see, the weight of this conical flask and this test tube and thread cork will be 50 grams. Now, after pouring everything, it will come 100 grams. So, what is the actual mass? 100 minus 50. Understanding, which is equals to 50 grams. Is it okay, da? Everybody?
Sir.
That is
Sir.
okay, Sai, Maitrayan, Tamil Selvan. That is what you have to remember. Okay, ra? Laksha? Okay, clear? That is.
Yes,
So,
sir.
before reaction is equals to what? After reaction. Products,
After reaction.
which is equals to products after reaction. Any this? So like that experiment you have to do, which is to verify law of conservation of mass. What is that, ra? Law of conservation of
Law of conservation of mass.
sodium sulfate will give you barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. That is what you have to remember, like that. But you have to subtract
sir.
the mass. What? You have to subtract the mass of conical flask, test tube, and the rubber cork. Understand? So before filling the chemicals inside, you have to measure the mass, and after filling, you have to subtract the mass of that. Understanding from the total mass. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Sir.
What you have to remember.
Sir.
Not only this chemical, another lot of chemicals you can take like this here. So many chemical reactions you can take. So now here in this reaction, I want to say very, very important, guys. Barium sulfate is a white solid. What we should say? White solid.
White solid.
So barium chloride. Both are solutions. First, both are solutions. Yes or no? Barium chloride.
Sir.
Barium chloride is a solution. Means in the sense of what? It is in understanding liquid state, aqueous state we can say. What we should say?
Aqueous state, sir.
Yeah. Means in the sense of they are mixed with the water. What is that? Mixed with the
Mixed with water, sir.
So barium chloride plus sodium sulfate also. What is that?
Sodium
Sodium sulfate.
sulfate.
Sodium sulfate also. What is that state? Aqueous state. Aqueous
Aqueous
state.
state, sir.
Anything dissolved in water. What is that called as?
Dissolved in water,
Yeah,
sir.
dissolved in water. We used to call it as aqueous state. So, which will give you the products of what, guys? Barium,
Barium sulfate and sodium chloride, sir.
barium sulfate. This is
And
solid rock.
the sodium chloride.
Remember, what is the salt? This one called as white solid.
White solid.
Barium sulfate is white solid, and sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is aqueous state only. What is that? Aqueous state only. So it is a solution. Okay, da? Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
That is a reaction. You have to note it down. Is it okay, Elmukil? Tamil Selva?
Sir.
Devarshini? Clear?
Understood, sir.
Sir, in reaction, gas is evolved means we want to put one arrow mark, no, sir.
One arrow mark we have to give here. No arrow mark is evolving. No gas is evolving.
Sir, not here, sir. Before you explain.
Everywhere, remember Tamil Selvan, I will teach you. If any kind of solid is coming in the reactants, like a PPT. Suppose here we are getting white solid, correct? Yes or no? This
Yes,
white
sir.
solid is called as PPT. Precipitation we can call. What we should call? Precipitation.
Precipitation.
So either we can represent with a PPT or we can represent with a down arrow. It is in down arrow if you are seeing, it is indicating precipitation. Is it okay, va? Understand?
Sir.
Solid is coming, yes. Liquid is coming, liquid. Aqueous state is coming, aqueous state. Okay, va? And gaseous state is coming. Gaseous state you can write G, or else you can represent with the up arrow. Both are same. Okay, Elmukil?
Sir.
Okay, your choice. No kind of pressure. If it is any kind of insoluble solid precipitation. Okay, complete solid it is coming. Understanding? So yes, liquid is coming. L. Aqueous state only coming. AQ. G. Gas is forming. G. Okay, Malaksha, everybody. That is the making the
Okay, sir.
Okay, Jayvarchini, clear? That is how to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In experiment, they have been taken something like understanding. In this experiment, they have been taken, for example, mass of barium chloride, they have been taken 20.8 grams. How much they have been taken? Mass of barium
20.8 grams.
20.8 grams, 20.8 grams plus mass of second one is what? Sodium sulfate, they have been taken 14.2 grams. How much? 14.2 grams.
14.2 grams.
2 grams.
This is what reactants. Is it yes or no? Mass of reactants.
Sir.
Understand? Now, so products, if you do, you used to get the mass of barium sulfate. We used to get, if you do exactly for these values, mass of barium sulfate, we used to get 23.3 grams. How much it will come? 23.3 grams.
23.3 grams.
3.3 grams.
11.7 grams of sodium chloride. 11.7 grams of how much? Sodium chloride.
Sodium chloride.
This is the mass of what? Products. Okay.
Product.
Now, both you can calculate. This is what? Barium chloride, sodium sulfate will give you barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. So this is the masses. Both you can check it. Is it right or wrong? Both you can verify both the sides. Mass of reactants, how much? Mass of reactants equals to 20 plus
35
14.
grams.
35 grams.
35 grams.
45, sir.
35, sir.
This also
35, 35, sir. 35.
no. So both are
35, sir.
both
Yes,
are
sir.
verified. So law of conservation of mass is what? Law of conservation of mass is true. That's all. Okay, da? Please yes or no?
Yes,
This is
sir.
what we should call as
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
law of conservation of mass. So what is law of conservation of mass? Everybody should say mass is neither be created nor be destroyed
Be destroyed.
during chemical reaction. Understand, guys?
Yes,
That's
sir.
okay, da?
Yes.
Now, you can take next example, if you want, you can take next example. That is, observe very carefully, guys. Let me take, that is the example, like example we will study, so that you can better, you all people can understand. Yes or no? Please respond me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, let us see. Read the question, all of you, this one. All of you read this question. What is happening?
Sodium carbonate reacts with ethanoic acid to form sodium ethanoate, carbon dioxide, and water.
Yeah. To form sodium ethanoate, carbon dioxide, and water. How many are coming? Totally check it, guys. Sodium carbonate. Reactants. What is the reactants? Tell me. Sodium carbonate plus ethanoic acid. Okay, now.
Ethanoic acid.
Another name is called as acetic acid. Also, we can call it as what?
Acetic acid.
Acetic acid.
Acetic acid.
Acetic acid. 90%
Yes, sir.
but very important. So it is giving three products. What is that?
Ethanite.
Sir, ethanoic.
Sodium
Ethanite, carbon dioxide, and water.
Plus carbon dioxide.
CO2 and water,
Yeah,
sir.
carbon dioxide plus water. Is it yes or no, guys?
Water.
Respond.
Yes, sir.
These three are called as what, Manish? Products we can say.
Products.
So the
Product, sir.
experiment, what is the calculation they have given? Sodium carbonate, how much? Sodium carbonate, how much? Sodium carbonate, they have given how much? 5.5
5.3.
and react with how much? 6 grams of how much?
6 grams. Ethanoic acid.
Grams of ethanoic acid, and they are forming what? 8.2 grams of sodium acetate. What is that? Sodium 8.2 grams of sodium acetate plus 2.2 grams
2.2 gram of
grams
carbon
of
dioxide.
carbon dioxide plus 0.9 grams of
0.9 gram of water.
verify that
Water.
both are equal or not, verify. That is what I want.
That is 7.3.
How much? 5 plus 6, 11.
7.3.
So
11.3 equals, sir.
11.3 grams total. Now, which is equals to 8.2 plus 2.2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11. Is it yes or no?
11.3, sir.
Yes or no? Is it verified or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
No, guys.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So,
verified.
Sir, sir.
law of conservation of mass is true. Law of conservation of mass is true.
True.
Yes or no? That is, you should remember. Is it okay now? Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
That is. So, as we know, next, let me see next question. Last question for today's class. Oh, already time is up, but no issues. This question alone will solve. So, let me see who will solve. So, mass of reactants is equals to what, guys? Mass of product.
Products.
Product.
Question. All of you read this question. Calcium carbonate decomposes. What is that? Calcium carbonate decomposes. Already I taught you
Decomposes.
on heating.
Decomposes means
Yeah,
heating,
to
sir.
form
Heating,
calcium
sir.
carbonate and carbon dioxide. So all of you write the equation. Calcium carbonate will start decomposing. Heating means decomposing. Is it a some decomposition? Will form what? Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, guys. Now, how many grams calcium carbonate? 10 grams. They are saying 10 grams is equals to decomposed completely. How much they are asking? 5.6 grams of calcium oxide is formed. Plus, they are asking what? Calculate the mass of
4.4.
yes or no?
4.4.
They are asking. We don't know. Calcium carbon dioxide we don't know. Can assume as X. Let CO2 mass
Sir, 4.4, sir.
equals to
4.4 grams,
4.4
sir.
grams.
so as we know, mass of reactants is equals to what? Mass of
Mass of products.
equals to mass of products. Correct? So that's all. So now we want here. X means what? Mass of carbon dioxide. So how much will come? Mass of product reactants
4.4.
minus mass of calcium oxide. So 5.6 grams. So X equals to how much? X equals to how much?
4.4.
4.4 grams, sir.
That is. So mass of carbon dioxide X equals to how much? 4.4
4.4 grams.
4.4 grams. So this X means what? Mass of carbon dioxide. You can write mass of
Carbon dioxide.
equals to 4.4 grams.
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, da? I understand. I hope. You all-
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what
Sir.
Law of what we should call law of
Law of conservation of mass.
Conservation of matter.
understand this. I hope you all understand very clearly this. If you understand this, next class we will study. What is that? Law of constant proportion.
Of constant proportion.
Proportional.
Already it is 7:10 almost. So
Thank you, sir.
thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Jai Varsity.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Understand,
sir.
everybody?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you so much. Bye.